Hello friends, welcome back with me in my YouTube channel. In today's video I am gonna explain how to Facebook friend suggestions turn off. In this tutorial I use Android device. So, let's go to the tutorial. Step 1. Tap to the hamburger menu icon at the right corner. Step 2. Select Settings and then scroll down and tap Notification Settings. Step 3. In the notification settings, select People May You Know. Step 4. Switch the Allow Notification on Facebook to Off. But if you want to turn off specific type of notification, you can choose one of them. Step 5. Tap Turn Off to confirm the change. Okay, if this tutorial worked for you, please like this video and don't forget to subscribe my channel.